you can't download the app or games. Hello. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you on how to change country or region on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first go to App Store. Now click this. Then click this. Now put your Apple ID password. Then click Sign In. Now click this. So in this, choose your country you want. So for me, I want to choose Philippines because I'm from Philippines. By the way, my iPhone is located in Dubai, so I'll change it because I can't download other games or apps. So if you experience that the app is not available in your app store, you just need to change your country or region so you can download the apps or games that you can't download. So if you're done to choose a country or region, just click this. Now click this. Then click this. Now fill up this billing address. So if you're done to fill up, copy this number. Retype it. So if you're done to copy, just click this. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video.